On March 31st, 2026, the AI world didn't just see a leak, it saw a blueprint. This is not an April Fool's Day joke, nor a marketing hook. Anthropic accidentally pushed Clyde.js.map to a public NPM package, exposing the entire source tree for Claude code. As product managers, we usually care about the what, the features. But this leak gave us the how and the next. It wasn't the model weights that leaked. It was the orchestration layer. Today, we're breaking down the 3 massive takeaways that every PM needs to understand to stay competitive in the agentic age. Takeaway number 1, the brain is a commodity. The OS is the moat. The leak revealed a sophisticated 3 layers memory architecture. It showed exactly how Anthropic fights content entropy. That moment when an AI agent loses the context during a long talk. Start obsessing over your orchestration logic. Anthropic's value isn't just Claude 3.5 or 4. It's the worker swarms and the capybara testing frameworks they've built to make those models actually useful in a terminal. If your product is just a wrapper, you're in trouble. Takeaway 2. The roadmap is no longer a secret. The code contained dozens of unreleased feature flags. 2 stand out for PMs: proactive mode and dream mode. Anthropic's proactive mode signals a shift from reactive chat to autonomous agents that work while you sleep. Dream mode appears to be a background thinking process to solve complex architectural problems. As a PM, this tells you where the trending is. In hockey game, skate to where the puck is going, not where it has been. The industry is moving away from ask and receive toward set, go, and supervise. If you aren't road mapping autonomy, you're building legacy software. There was also a controversial discovery: undercover mode. This appears to be a feature for the AI to contribute to open source projects without being identified as an AI. This leads to the concern of product ethics risk. As PMs, we often push for frictionless growth, but this shows how a single feature can jeopardize a brand built on safety. It's a reminder that our product North Star must align with our engineering reality. You can't market safety while building ghost features. So, what should be the PM action plan? First, audit your build pipelines. This leak happened because of a debug artifact, a simple human error. Security is also a product feature. Second, shift your resources. Don't just wait for the next model update from OpenAI or Google. Build the memory and agentic swarms that make current models better. And finally, move your product from a reactive UI to an autonomous backend. As PMs, our goal is shifting from time in app to outcomes via autonomy. The Claude code leak was a mistake for Anthropic, but it could be your goldmine for case study. It might be your most important PRD of the year.